I've tried a specific method to make my culantro last longer, grow lusher, taste better, and form larger clumps. As you can see here, these plants are thriving. This stem right here is actually a flower stalk, and I've pinched it off. Notice how healthy the foliage is? Next to it, the plant is constantly pushing out new leaves, creating a very full and green look. You can see the tiny new shoots emerging here. This particular plant had its flower stalk removed a long time ago, and now it has grown into a massive, bushy clump with very tender leaves. In contrast, look at this one over here. The leaves are sparse because it still has a flower stalk. To fix this, simply snip the flower off. Don't throw it away though. You can try planting the stalk in the soil. In many cases, it will take root and grow into a brand new plant. Moving on to the next ones, you'll see the same pattern. When the leaves look old and tough, just remove the flower stalk and plant it to start new growth. Culantro plants that aren't topped usually have old, tough leaves and very thin foliage. Let me show you the clumps where I previously removed the flowers. They are incredibly lush and green, truly the secret to a great harvest. So remember, whenever you see a flower stalk, pinch it off. I guarantee your culantro will stay fresh longer, remain productive, and look beautiful.